Just realize that I am putting on a blue shirt in a blue background. When trying to make a video, you should always, put on a clothes that is not even the same with your background. If you want to learn how you can blur your video background, I mean, when you are inside the toilet, you can actually make your video in the toilet and blur your background. Everywhere is going to be looking. I'm going to show you how you can do that in less than 2 minutes. At 1 minute, it's enough. Okay, let me show you how you can blur your video background from this. So you can see how this video is looking so beautiful. That's because I blurred the background. Now, I was actually trying to explain to you guys that I raised up my curtain in order to see if I can be seeing some natural lightning from there, because I wanted to face the other side. Like I wanted to face my back at my front. But then everywhere was still dark, and I had to, face this particular side that I'm facing now, and I am using artificial light. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to explain, and also trying to tell you guys that you can blur this video background in less than 2 minutes. So keep watching this video. Let me show you how to. Have you been watching other videos and you're not understanding what these people are saying? Don't worry, I got you. Okay guys, let's head over to CapCut. Now click on new project. Select the video which you want to blur the background. Okay, now I'm going to click on this video, add. You can see the background is not blurred, so you can see how this video is. So now you are going to click, once you have selected the video which you want to blur the background, click on overlay, add the same video that you've chosen. You can see where they wrote added, so make sure you don't make mistakes. Add that same video which you've chosen, then click on add. Now I'm going to use my fingers to adjust it. As you can see, they are not in the same size. Just use your fingers to adjust the video. Now they are in the same size. Head over to your right side. You can see background, remove BG. Click on remove BG, click on auto removal. As you can see, my background is automatically removed. You may not notice it now. That's because I have another background in this same video, but I can tell you the background is automatically removed right now. Now click on good. The next thing you're going to do is to click on this effect, select video effects. Okay, now let's head over to lens, click on lens. Now select blur. So you can see, as you can see, the video has been blurred. What you are now going to do is to select, to know if you want it very blurry, if you want it, you can see it is very blurry. Just choose how you want it to be. As for me, I like to use just a bit blurry background because it looks matured and all of that. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at 15. So you can see how this video is look flawless, very beautiful. Now you can now click on this good sign. Make sure you adjust your video. Yes, have you seen that? So now you see the video has been blurred. Let me play it for you. So you can see the end product of what we did. You can see the background has been blurred. Whether you have an iPhone or whatsoever, you can actually film your film and then blur the background. Thank you so much for watching. Click on this on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share it to anyone that may need it. Thank you so much. Love you. Mwah.